Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Hou op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water.
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for...
Calm down, Bruner. We'll get you out of there right now. Helly, lower the safety harness down to Bruner, please.
The Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock!
Me be jamming now, man.
Lanny? I wonder why she just left. Oh. I'm coming!
Be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with mine...
I hereby dub the...
Francesco! Bellissima! Thank you for your support and your bigness.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
What's that sound? My wheel!
Willie's Butte and come back. There will be no bumping, no cheating, no spitting, no biting.
Timers like this guy.
Right. Storm achieves his top...
Ow. Excuse me. Pardon me. Coming through. Good to see you. My bad. Hey, Ricky. How's the kid? What's your hood?
West of the boat. No bingo fields around here.
Bingo fields!
Places to land.
The boat?
The U.
Hay que ir recto. Ya es suficiente. Y fuera.
The winners, Tomica and...
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
Of the Lower Bell County Unified School District!
Well, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night long.
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down.
Hello, Faith. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, go, go.
Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but...
There you go. Felt good.
Yeah, but I ain't perfect. Don't tell nobody, but I think my rust is starting to show through.
Hey!
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get her done!
And now, our last competitor, number 95, Lightning Mc...
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
It's fast to storm, but you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
No, I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.